Base 44 changes everything about building real apps. Most ways of building apps require you to either be highly technical or know how to code. And in this video, I'm going to show you how Base 44 makes this way easier and way faster than ever before. So you can avoid all the constant mistakes, save tens of thousands of dollars on hiring developers, and launch a working app or digital product without needing a full engineering team. And I know this firsthand because I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on my own developer payroll in building my own software company to over $500,000 a month. And what took my team months in a full engineering budget, this tool does for you in minutes. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Richard, and I've done over 30 million online with digital product sales in software tools, and I've helped over 3,000 students build their own thriving online businesses. So with that aside, get comfortable and let's dive straight in. The first thing you want to do is open Base 44. I've added a special link for Base 44. It's the first link down below, which actually gives you 30% off the tool. So feel free to check that out once you're done with this video. This is the tool that's going to build our entire app today. So make sure you check that out. Now, when you open Base 44, this is going to take you to this page. This is what you'll see. And honestly, this is kind of insane. This is where you tell the AI what to build. And on this side here, you actually have your live preview. This is where your app actually appears in real time as it's being built. You do not need to install anything. You don't need to download anything. You do not even need to know what a single line of code looks like. Like me, I studied biology in university. I don't have a single technical background. You simply just describe what you want and Base 44 builds the entire thing for you. So here's what we're going to build today. We're going to make a fully functional habit tracking app. And I chose a habit tracker for a very specific reason. Habit tracking apps are a $15 billion market right now. Apps like Habitify have over 3 million users and make hundreds of thousands a month. And what makes this so powerful as a business is that a habit tracker works in literally every niche that you can think of. Whether someone is tracking the morning prayer routine, their gym consistency, how are they doing on sales calls if they're a sales professional, or their kids' reading habits, this one app concept basically works for any human alive. And we're not just going to build it. I'm going to show you how you can add a paywall so you can actually collect payments, set your pricing, and get this thing to actually sell all inside of Base 44 within the next 10 minutes. So let's get into it. Now here's the key. Most people would rather just type, build me a habit tracker, and then they wonder why the output looks so generic. But the more specific you are with AI, the better your output is going to be. So watch what happens when I give it real detail. So I'm going to type in my prompt, and here's exactly what I'm telling it. Build me a habit tracker app. Make it mobile responsive with a clean modern design using a calm motivational color scheme. Soft greens, blues, or purples. The app should let users create custom habits with a name, icon, and category. For example, health, productivity, faith, or finance. Set habit frequency, daily, specific days of the week, or weekly. Check off habits as complete each day with a single tap. View a streak counter for each habit showing consecutive days completed. See a daily progress dashboard showing how many habits are done versus remaining, displayed as a visual progress ring or bar. View a 7-day history grid showing completed versus missed days for each habit. View a weekly summary with completion percentage. Include 5 preloaded example habits: morning workout, read 20 pages, drink 8 glasses of water, journal for 10 minutes, and no social media before noon. Make the interface intuitive enough that someone could start tracking immediately without a tutorial. That is the entire prompt. Now watch what happens here. In just a few minutes, Base 44 just built an entire habit tracking app from one prompt. Now let me walk you through what it just created. First, look at this dashboard. Right at the top, you have a greeting. It says, "Good afternoon," with today's date. Below that, there's a progress ring showing your completion percentage. 0% right now because we haven't checked off anything yet. It says 0 out of 5 done. And then below that, you see today's habits. Look at this. All 5 preloaded habits are here. Morning workout, tagged as health. Read 20 pages, tagged as learning. Drink 8 glasses of water, also health. Journal for 10 minutes under wellness, and no social media before noon under productivity. Each habit has its own card with a category tag and a 7-day history grid. At the very bottom, you have a weekly summary section showing your completion percentage for the week with the progress bar. Right now, it says 0%. 0 out of 5 habit check-ins completed this week. Now here's the thing. I did not have to code any of this. I didn't design any of this. The AI just did it for me. This looks like something that you would download from the App Store and actually use every day. And Base 44 just built the entire thing from one simple prompt. Now, if you're watching this right now and you're thinking, wait, that actually sounds like a real app. That's the entire point, because it is a real app. It works, it tracks habits, it counts streaks, it visualizes progress, and we built it in minutes with zero technical knowledge. But here's the thing, right now, this is just an app. It's not a business yet. And this is where most people stop. They build something that looks cool, and then they show it to their friends. Maybe they post about it on social media, and then it just sits there. Nobody pays for it. Nothing happens. And if you've ever felt like you have the skills to build something, but you don't know how to turn it into actual income, this next part is for you. Because the whole point of building apps with AI is not just to have a cool project, it's to make money. And I'm about to show you right now how to turn this habit tracker into a product that people pay every single month. And we're going to do this with one more prompt inside of Base 44. So I'm going back to Base 44 and I'm typing in a second prompt. Here's exactly what I'm going to tell it. Add a freemium monetization layer to this app. Free plan includes up to 3 habits, basic streak tracking, and daily checkoffs. The pro plan includes unlimited habits, all categories, weekly and monthly analytics with charts, habit reminders, and a 7-day history grind. When a free user tries to access a pro feature, show a clean upgrade pop-up that explains the pro benefits. Displays $9.99 pricing with a $79.99 option, show the yearly savings, and has a subscribe now button. For now, make the subscribe button show a confirmation message that says connect your Stripe account in Base 44 settings to start accepting payments. Also, add a plan page in the navigation where users can see the current plan, free or pro, with both plans options displayed side by side showing all features included in each. And look at what it just built. First, look at the dashboard. The progress ring now says 0 out of 3 done instead of 0 out of 5. That's because we're now on the free plan, and the free plan only lets you track 3 habits. The paywall is already working. Now let me go to the My Habits page. Look at this. At the very top, there's this yellow banner that says free plan. You've reached the 3 habit limit with an upgrade link right there. All 5 habits are still listed, and each one has edit and delete buttons. So a free user can manage the habits, but they cannot add more than 3. And watch this. Look at what happens when I click the edit button on one of these habits. A full edit panel opens up. You can change the habit name, pick a different icon from this whole set of options, change the category, change the frequency. This is a level of customization that makes this feel like a premium product. And again, I didn't build any of this manually. Now, let me show you the real magic here. Let me try to access a pro feature. And there it is. Look at this pop-up. At the top, it says pro with unlimited habits badge. The headline says unlock everything, build better habits with powerful tools. There's a toggle now between monthly and yearly, and the yearly option has a green badge that says minus 33%. So it's already showing the discount. On the yearly plan, it shows $667 per month, billed at $79.99 per year with a green text that says saves you $39.89. And below that, it lists every pro feature with check marks: unlimited habits, all categories, 7-day history grid, weekly and monthly analytics with charts and habit reminders and priority support as well. And at the bottom, there's a big purple subscribe now button and a line that says cancel anytime, no hidden fees. Now, this looks like a real SaaS pricing page. This is what most people see when they open Spotify or Headspace or any app that you're familiar with that has a subscription. And Base 44 built this entire thing for us. Now let me show you one more thing. Let me go over to the plan page. This is your plan page. At the top, it says you're currently on the free plan. And below that, you have both plans displayed side by side. On the left, the free plan, $0 forever free. It shows what's included with check marks, up to 3 habits, basic streak tracking, and daily check-offs. And then it shows what's not included with X marks grayed out: 7-day history grid, all categories, unlimited habits, weekly and monthly analytics, and habit reminders. And the right, the pro plan with a popular badge, $667 per month, billed at $79.99. Every single feature checked off. 2 prompts, no code, no designers, no developers, and we have a fully functional app with a professional paywall and pricing page ready to accept payments. Now the subscribe button right now is a placeholder, and that's intentional. All you need to do is connect your Stripe account inside Base 44 settings. Stripe handles all the billing, the recurring charges, the cancellations, everything. You connect it, and that button becomes a live payment link. That's it. You do not need to understand payment processing. You don't need to figure out webhooks or APIs or any of that. Base 44 and Stripe handle everything behind the scenes, and your job is just to build the app and drive traffic to it. The tech is solved, and the last step here, simply publishing it. With Base 44, you literally just hit publish. Watch this. I'm clicking publish right now, and just like that, this app is live. Base 44 gives you a link. This is the link that you would actually send to potential customers. This This is the link that you would put in your Instagram bio. This is the link that you would drop in your YouTube description. And anyone who taps on this link can access your app, hit the paywall, and pay you money. That's it. Your app is now live on the internet, ready to accept paying subscribers, and you did not have to set up a single server yourself. So let me recap what we've actually done here. We've built a fully functional habit tracking app with a clean dashboard, streak tracking, progress visualization, and custom categories. We added a professional freemium paywall with monthly and yearly pricing, and we set up a plan page with a side-by-side, step-by-step comparison that looks like something that you'd see on a real subscription app. And with connected payments, we published the whole thing live. 2 prompts, no code, no engineering team, no designers, and we have a published live monetized app. Now I want to zoom out here for a second, because what I just showed you is not about habit trackers. That was just one example. Think about what you could build with this exact same process. You like fitness? Build a workout tracker. You're into productivity? Build a time blocking app. You're in the faith space? Build a daily devotional app. Cooking? Build a meal planning app. Finance? Build a budgeting tool. Every single one of those can charge $9.99, $14.99, even $19.99 a month, and every single one of them can be built in Base 44 with the exact same process that I just showed you. Now, here's what I really want you to understand. Because this is the shift that most people have missed. If you've been in the digital product space for some time, or you've been watching my content, you already know how to pick a niche. You already know how to make content that drives traffic. You already understand how to identify what people want and get it in front of them. Those skills do not go away. What simply changes is the product. And this is the key. When you sell a $27 ebook, someone buys it one time, and that's it. You need another sale tomorrow from a new customer just to stay at the same level. You're always on this treadmill, running to chase after the next sale. But what happens when you sell a $9.99 per month app? That customer pays you this month, next month, and the month after that, and you build it once and the revenue begins to stack and compound. That's the difference between a one-time income and recurring revenue, and it changes everything about how your business grows. And then let's acquire 100 users. Well, that's $1,000 every single month in monthly recurring revenue from one app. And to be clear, sure, some people will cancel, but when you make a good product, people stick and they stay on. By the way, that's just one app that you build in an afternoon. What if you get to 500 subscribers? That's under $5,000 a month. That's money that's coming every single month, whether you post content that day or not. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can build more than one app. Same process, different niche, stack them. A habit tracker for the faith community, a workout tracker for busy moms, a budgeting tool for college students, each one generating its own stream of recurring revenue. If you want to start building apps like this, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for Base 44. I've added a special link in the description down below that's going to give you 13% off. By the way, this is the exact tool that I've been using this entire video. So go ahead and click on that first link down below right now, get your 13% discount, and start building. And when you do that, I actually have a free step-by-step course I want to get in your hands right now. This is a step-by-step masterclass that shows you how I scale from 0 to over 10,000 a month selling digital products and apps, and this course is valued over $4.99. I'm going to give this to you for completely free. So step 1, all you got to do is click the first link down in the description, and that's going to take you over to the Base 44 page. Now, all you got to do is click on the sign up option. It really doesn't matter which one of these you pick, because at the end of the day, you're going to be building your own apps or using our done for you app templates once you're actually inside and have a paid subscription. So go ahead and sign up with your email. If you don't have an account with Base 44 yet, you're going to have to click on that little sign up button. Then it's going to ask you to verify your email. So check your email and grab the code that sends you. And then once you're in and you verify, go to the top right corner to actually claim your big discounts. Now, this discount is only available because you're actually coming through my special link, which is again the first link down below this video. Now, remember, when you sign up for one of the paid plans, any of the paid plans, you're going to get our $4.99 course for completely free. All you need to do is sign up for the first month. And don't worry, you're like, I can't afford this for the next 12 months. You don't need to worry about that, because as long as you just sign up for the first month, you're going to get the full course for free. So you can see that there's this builder option, which is the one that I recommend. It's $50 a month. The cheapest one, biggest discount is if you sign up for the annual plan, which I'd recommend. But if you only want to try out for the first month, feel free to use that. And if you still can't afford this, no problem. Go to the starter light version, as you can see here. And this one here actually is only $20 a month. For less than a fast food meal for 2 people, you get access to Base 44, an incredible AI software, and on top of that, $4.99 course for free. And to make this very clear, if you sign up for Base for literally just the first month, which costs you $20, and you don't like it, that's fine. Cancel the subscription, and you still get the Freedom Path to System $4.99 course for free, and you get to keep that for a lifetime. Now, Once you've actually clicked on the button down below and you choose the plan, it's going to take you over to the payment page right here. Just put in your details and sign up, but pay attention because in order to get the course, you got to follow step 2. Step 2 is go to the second link below this video and you click on that link. It's actually going to take you to this page here where you got to put in the same email that you use to sign up for Base 44. This is to verify that you actually signed up for one of the paid plans, which Base 44 sends us all the information of the customers that sign up. And once that's done, if you use the same email and you actually bought Base 44 for the first month subscription, you will automatically receive in your email inbox course for free within 90 minutes. Now, why is there a delay? Because right now, if you can see right below, you actually have a VIP ticket for free to the AI Masterclass that's going to be starting soon in the next few minutes. This is a masterclass where I break down before your eyes, step by step, how to build a $200 to $300 per day business using AI with just a laptop or your phone. And on this masterclass, I even bring on guest speakers of top students of mine that have done anywhere from $10,000, $20,000, and even one student that scaled to over $85,000 per month. Plus, we do a Q&A to answer all of your questions. So again, to recap, step number 1, use the first special link down below to get 30% off and actually sign up for Base 44 right now. And when you do that, you immediately qualify for the $4.99 course for completely free. And to get that course, sign up for Base and then click on the second description and actually register for the masterclass starting soon. Because the moment you do that, you will automatically be emailed the $4.99 course for completely free. So these 2 simple steps, step number 1, grab Base 44 down below, and step number 2, sign up for the free masterclass down below. That's the second link. So go ahead, take action on that right now, and I will see you on the other side.